The Breville Smooth Wave countertop microwave oven takes the guesswork out of cooking with sensor IQ technology and 15 inbuilt smart presets including Smart Cook, Smart Defrost and Smart Reheat. Engineered with an 80% quieter soft close door and 50% quieter in operation. Sensor IQ technology takes the guesswork out of cooking by automatically adjusting power to precisely cook or reheat with ease. When using Smart Reheat, it detects the steam released and automatically sets the ideal time for precise and delicious results. Power smoothing inverter. The Smooth Wave automatically adjusts power intensity to deliver smooth, even power for deliciously even results. Reheat favorites like pizza slices with ease or defrost meats and meals without overheating and drying out edges. Smart Cook, Reheat Defrost. Featuring 15 inbuilt smart presets putting all the power at your fingertips. Smooth, low temperature delivers heat evenly without overheating and drying out so you can cook with ease, precisely reheat and delicately defrost. Soft close door and quieter operation. Countertop microwave with an 80% quieter soft close door and is 50% quieter in operation. Clever touches like child lock, Breville sound suite and mute button means less beeps and clangs, and more pops and crunches. Shortcuts and one-touch auto settings, designed with shortcuts panel on the inside door for commonly used tasks such as melting chocolate, softening butter, reheating pizza and more. Set your favorites with one touch and get great results every time. A bit more and child lock. Simply press a bit more button on the microwave to add some extra time on your food and get it just right without having to start up a whole new cycle. Protect your child with one touch thanks to the child lock button. Top reviews from the United States. Compact and easy to use. The Breville BMO850BSS. The Smooth Wave countertop microwave oven comes in a compact form factor but will easily fit a 12-inch plate. It is jammed full of functions and the menu system is easy to understand and navigate through. Food is heated evenly for the better part with only a few inconsistencies typical of most microwaves. We also really like the fact that you can disable the turntable rotation and the sounds. You also have 3 different levels of sound adjustment if you prefer to leave them on. All in all, it is a very good microwave. All this does come at a price, and if it was a bit more competitive in this area it would be the perfect appliance.